Battle for Drift King. Lead si Sean, and then chase is Paulo T. Okay. Battle for Drift King, Novice class. Drivers ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Nice coming out of the starting line. Good initiation by the lead. A little bit miss on the clip. Nag-shortcut po ang ating chaser para makahabol sa kanyang lead. Nice lead from the chase. Kinukuha yung buong
Ay, grabe
linya.
naman yun, no? Wall run.
Sinusundan ng magandang chaser ni Chase. A little bit ang miss on the clip from the lead, pero nakuha niya yung dulo. Nice getting that clip. Medyo naiwan po yung ating chaser. Na-miss ng chaser yung linya, nakuha ng lead yung final
Nice.
clip. Okay, drivers ready. Run 2.
Video.
Please video. Run 2. Drivers ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Nice, coming out of that starting line. Medyo nag-hesitate ng wobble yung ating lead, pero nakuha niya pa rin yung kanyang clipping point. Little bit up on the chase, pero okay pa rin yung linya, hindi nawala yung linya ng lead. Nakuha ng lead ng mapakaganda yung kanyang next slip, buong buo. Good initiation by both lead and chase. Napakagandang alalay ng stick doon. Nakuha ng buo ng lead yung kanyang, yun lang, medyo straighting yung lead. Okay, good switching point from ating chaser and lead. Very nice run.
Mga error, parang kayo namin binigyan ng 6. Kaya lumamak lang ng 1 point si Paolo. Si Paolo, 1 point lang, 1 point. Sa lead lane lang nagkatalo.
Nice.
Bawi-bawi sa D1GP, no?
To summarize, ang ating Novice class winners. Ang first place natin, si Paolo. Second place, si Sean.